back to the Oven Cook. Today it is Mother's Day, or Mothering Sunday, so I'm going to do a little breakfast for Mrs. Urban. I'm going to do some fritters with potato and salmon, and then we're going to have some like bacon and some poached eggs and all that good stuff. Oh, and some spinach, which is over the back here. We've got some garlic granules and some smoked paprika. So I'll show you as I go along. So let's get started. So in this bowl, a grater. I'm leaving the skins on, but you can take them off if you want. Grate potatoes. Just take this and squeeze the water out of it. Cup of beaten eggs. Just half a teaspoon of garlic powder, granules. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Some fresh dill. Take our salmon. Just take it off the skin. Just give it some nice slices. Bring our bowl back. Put our salmon in. Yeah, nice mix up. Nice bit of black pepper. Okay, we'll set that aside until we need it. Just a bit of light spray, just to help the bacon along a bit. So in this pan, I'm going to wilt down some spinach. A bit of salt at the top. Enough for that. Okay, so we've got our mixture here. Give it another little turn over. Couple tablespoons of flour, just plain flour. A little bit of vegetable oil. So there we go, we've got a salmon and potato fritter with some crispy bacon, some wilted spinach and a poached egg on top. So I'm going to go and give this to Mrs. Urban, and I'll see you back here in a minute. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.